This Hirschi Realtors property video is presented by kthomas. Looking to check all the boxes on your house hunting list? 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, isolated master bedroom, home office, pool and storm shelter. Check. Beautifully designed floor plan features tall ceilings and tile flooring in high traffic areas, plus a big kitchen with a center island, pantry and sizable breakfast area. This home offers every area needed for modern living and a backyard ready for summer fun. Plus, it's located near the sports complex and zoned for desirable schools. For more information, review the details below or contact kthomas at 940-692-8120.